Plant FAQs. Philodendron Heterocraspedon. Philodendron Heterocraspedon. Unveiling the allure of this enchanting climber. Hi there, Furbu here, and today we're diving deep into the world of the captivating Philodendron Heterocraspedon. This rare and remarkable plant has stolen the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts worldwide, and for good reason. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. The Philodendron Heterocraspedon is a stunning climbing philodendron, prized for its exceptionally long, pleated leaves. These leaves boast a unique, wavy form, earning it the nickname, the wavy philodendron. The rich, blue-green foliage often shimmers with a subtle metallic sheen, adding an extra touch of elegance. Is Philodendron Heterocraspedon easy to care for? While not the most challenging philodendron, the Heterocraspedon does require a bit more attention than some of its hardier cousins. Here's a breakdown of its needs. Light. This tropical beauty thrives in bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Maintain consistent moisture, allowing the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering is a leading cause of root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. As a rainforest native, the Philodendron Heterocraspedon prefers high humidity levels, around 60 to 70%. Regularly misting the plant or using a pebble tray can help create a more humid environment. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mix or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied every 4 to 6 weeks. Withhold fertilizer in the fall and winter. How big does a Philodendron Heterocraspedon get? This climber can reach impressive heights in its natural habitat. Indoors, with proper care, it can grow several feet tall, trailing beautifully or climbing a moss pole. Philodendron Heterocraspedon versus Philodendron Brazil. While both are philodendrons, the Heterocraspedon and the Brazil offer distinct characteristics. Leaves. Heterocraspedon, long, wavy, blue-green with a metallic sheen. Brazil, heart-shaped, variegated with green, yellow, and cream. Growth habit. Heterocraspedon, climber. Brazil, vining or trailing. Rarity. Heterocraspedon, rarer and more expensive. Brazil, more readily available and affordable. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference and the aesthetic you're aiming for. Philodendron Heterocraspedon propagation tips. Sharing the beauty of your Philodendron Heterocraspedon is easy through propagation. Here are 2 common methods. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem section with at least 1 node. Plant the node in a well-draining medium and maintain consistent moisture. Air layering. This technique involves encouraging root growth on a stem while it's still attached to the mother plant. Once roots develop, you can sever the stem and pot it up. Troubleshooting Philodendron Heterocraspedon problems. Yellowing leaves. This can be caused by overwatering, underwatering, or lack of light. Adjust your watering routine and provide brighter indirect light. Brown leaves. Excess sunlight or underwatering are likely culprits. Move the plant to a shadier location and increase watering frequency if necessary. Stunted growth. Insufficient light or nutrient deficiencies can hinder growth. Ensure proper light conditions and fertilize during the growing season. By understanding its needs and addressing potential issues promptly, you can ensure your Philodendron Heterocraspedon thrives for years to come. Conclusion. The allure of the wavy philodendron. The Philodendron Heterocraspedon is a captivating addition to any plant collection. Its unique foliage, climbing habit, and air of sophistication make it a true conversation starter. With a little extra TLC, you can cultivate this remarkable plant and enjoy its beauty for years to come. Happy planting!